Limiting beliefs stop us from reaching our full potential. Every single person born is genius with all his mental faculties. Our mind carries information from our environment since the day we are born. What people say about us or what people think about us shapes our perception. On the basis of that information, we become what we become. We adopt other people's beliefs about what is possible for us and what is not possible for us, what is achievable for us and what is not achievable for us. A lion cub grew up with the kids of a goat. They lived in the same environment, got the same training. They lived together, they played together. The grown-up lion started behaving like his fellow goats. He had turned into a goat lion. One day, a wild lion attacked that flock. With the goats, that goat lion also ran for his life. The attacking lion caught that goat lion and asked, "Why are you running from me like these goats?" The goat lion replied, "I am a goat and you are a lion. You'll kill me." The attacking lion responded angrily that you are not a goat, you are a lion like me. And he caught that lion and showed the physical similarities between the two in a water of a stream. Now note that that lion, with all his might and power, was reduced to a goat because of the environment of weak animals like goats. Our parents, our teachers, and other people's views about us form our beliefs. And we lose our true identity like that goat lion because of our false perception. But here is a good news. Our brain is the most potent tool on the planet. With this 3-pound brain, we can overwrite our DNA. We can overwrite our genetic code. But we need to unlearn these wrong beliefs we have acquired from our environment to become really powerful. Our full potential is not available unless we get rid of these limiting beliefs.